Has your crypto bag been looking a little empty? No worries, I'm going to show you how I bounce back. In this video, I'll break down how I started making real profits right from the beginning and how repeating this process several times can start racking up that digital dough, the same way you're seeing on the screen. Who wouldn't want to drop their own meme coin and actually see it make consistent gains, right? At first, I thought that kind of something was way out of reach, but that changed once I found this one method that finally made the grind pay off. I'm about to take you step by step through what I did. Pay attention, your future self will be high-fiving you for this. Gotta start with some harsh truth. Pump.Fun turned into a total circus. Every second there's a new coin, and none of them mean anything. I used to see some wins there, but those times are long gone. Now it feels like a place where folks just dump their bags and hope some noob pick them up. No point burning yourself out. There's a smarter way to go about this. You need a place where your meme coin has room to breathe, not just disappear in the crowd. That's why we're shifting to Radium, where your coin actually gets a show at building momentum. Once I made the move to Radium, I could tell it was the right call. This is where meme coins actually start gaining big, thanks to real liquidity backing them. And you see those forgotten pools that barely get any traffic? That's exactly where our winning chance is located. This is where things can get crazy. Your meme coin could seriously explode. I've watched tokens jump 100 times in one night. It's unreal. But here's the catch. If you're not handy with some dev tools, this platform normally can be a real challenge. Alright, step 1 is crafting a logo that hits like a trending hashtag. You need to make something that steals all the attention from the investors. My formula is using whatever's blowing up on Twitter, memes, celebrities, game news. There's a lot of stuff out there that works. Check that your logo is 128 by 128 pixels. Save the file, and with this, we're ready to crush the next phase. Go to the Solana launch website. This website will be your main tool for creating a coin. First of all, connect your wallet. Next, you will see the coin creation form. It is as simple as possible, just the way you like it. Next, just drag your logo into the field. Great, the logo is loaded. Now enter the name, symbol and description of your coin. Keep in mind that the symbol must be up to 8 characters. On the right, we have fields with the number of characters and the total number of coins. Initially, there are 1 billion coins here. I do not recommend changing these values. Look, there are additional options below. Leave it as is. If all 3 options are enabled, then on various platforms like the deck screener, the coin will basically have more reputation. Well, now click on the coin creation button and confirm the transaction. Almost done. Your token is already in the process of creation. The process itself lasts about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not refresh the page. In a couple of minutes everything will be ready. So, your token is created and already stored on your balance. Here you have the address of your token and several links. Let's go to Solana Explorer and look at your token. Here is your token. It is already in the blockchain. The last step is adding liquidity to the pool of our token. Without liquidity, people won't be able to trade your coin. So just click on Create Liquidity Pool button to continue with the process. You'll arrive to Radium's interface. First is the wallet connection. Mine auto-linked, but you might need to click this button up here. Now set your base token, which is our meme coin. Grab the address from Solana launch and paste it here. Pop in your token details. Click Add User Token. Select your coin to see the 1 billion supply. And then 900 million to the pool. If you wonder why 900 millions, it's just a standard. For the trading pair, Solana is the move. As the owner and creator of your coin, You can just max out your balance here. Investing at least 1 to 2 Solana will make your pool attractive for investors, but always keep 0.2 Solana aside for Radium's cut. In the fee tier section, I always go with 2%, but 0.5% works too. Pick your vibe. Final step is smashing Initialize Liquidity Pool and approving the transaction. Now your token's officially open for business. Open up Photon and check the Radium section. You'll spot your token listed there and ready to go. There's always traffic in this place, so if your project gets noticed, it might just take off in a big way. Grab your token's address from SolScan. Go to DEX Screener, open any chart, and replace its address with yours. With that, you'll get real-time numbers for your coin. If you see tiny purchases, those are usually bots. Don't sweat them. The real action is when the price graph starts to surge. That's your chance to make your move. Sell, trade, or pull out liquidity if needed. While your token settles in, it's a good idea to check your liquidity status. Head over to Radium's portfolio, then make sure you're viewing it under the Standard tab. You should see your position listed there. It might take a few seconds, or even up to 10 minutes to show. Just be patient. Blockchain updates can be slow. This section becomes super important when it's time to access your gains later. Back to my token on DEX Screener. After 16 minutes, someone purchased $83, or almost 0.5 Solana. Liquidity shows an upgrade, and that graph is keeping momentum. Now with 21 minutes in total, I have achieved a purchase worth $118. That would be about 0.6 Solana. Liquidity has increased and that graph maintains its form. 30 minutes in, another purchase of $138, or almost 0.8 Solana. Liquidity has shown a considerate increase, and that graph is holding the line. I think it's finally time, so, if you're ready to lock in some profits, here's how. First, double check that your wallet is connected. Just click the wallet icon if it's not already linked. After that, jump into the Standard section, find your liquidity pool, and click the minus button to start the withdrawal process. We're now at the withdrawal screen. Push that slider to the max, 100%, so you're pulling everything. You'll see how much Solana you'll end up with. Smash remove liquidity, confirm it in your wallet, and you'll have your money in possession. And that's the full breakdown. Everything you need to start making this strategy work for you. If you stay sharp and put in the effort, the gains can be real. Just remember, plays like this don't stay hot forever. It's been working great for me, but who knows how long the window stays open. Jump on it and you might just catch a real breakthrough. You'll find all the tools I mentioned in the description below. Take a look, and here's to making those gains come to life.